Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Cubic Soul YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add font awesome icons to your HTML website. So let's start. So first of all, in this video I'm going to add these icons to my website using CDN. So first of all, I will search here font awesome CDN. Search here, click on the first link. The website name is CDN.js. So click on the first link, and from here in the middle icon you can copy link tag. Just click on this and open your HTML code. In the head section you have to paste this, and you can remove these remaining attributes. And suppose I want to add an icon here, so I will type here I, and class is equal to fa search. So just let me refresh my page. So friends, you can see that because I have zoom in my page, that's why it's looking so big, but by default this icon will look like this. You can also increase its font size by using CSS font size property, but if you want to view all the font awesome icons, let me show you how you will do that. Again, open the Google and search here font awesome icons, and click on this first link. And from this website, first of all, you can see that what a beautiful website, and from this website you can get font awesome icons. Suppose I want to get an icon of suppose search, so you can see that other icons, these icons are available. And suppose if I want to add this icon, I have to just copy this I element and paste here, and just remove this fa solid. So just refresh this. So friends, you can see that this is icon of dollar search. This was a technique to add the font awesome icon to your website. So friends, I hope you must enjoyed this video, and if you have any question related to this video, you can ask us in the comment section. We will try to answer your question. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel to get amazing videos like this, tips and tricks, web development, Android app development tutorials. For more information, you can visit our website www.cubicsoul.com, because we are here to develop your website. And finally, thanks for watching.